I will show you how to get the best trip of your life, even with extra gear. Why are there not more people talking about the messy, brilliant truth of accessible travel? Let's fix that. Myth: accessible travel is predictable. Reality: it's full of surprises. Like that time the hotel misread accessible room and handed you a key to a closet, awkward but solvable. Myth: everyone will automatically understand your needs. Reality: many people mean well, but don't know what to ask. Be your own advocate. Calmly explain, show documents, ask for a manager if needed. Myth: mobility gear always travels safely. Reality: damage happens. Tip: always photograph gear before flights, use protective covers, carry essential repair tools or contacts. Myth: accessible travel ruins spontaneity. Reality: planning smarter creates more freedom. Call ahead, confirm transfers, build buffer time, then enjoy the detours. Final thought: travel with a disability isn't impossible, it's just a different playbook. Share this if you've had a travel surprise and tell us your best workaround.